For over 200 years, we've been experts in manufacturing glass for some of the world's most impressive buildings. But you won't just find our products in windows. We're also experts in digital glass technology too, pioneering the way smart glass is being used in screens across the globe. We've innovated a technologically advanced head-up display for windscreens and led the way with fire-resistant glass you can rely on and trust. Our many years of experience and expertise has taught us that we're at our best when we collaborate. That's why our experts work tirelessly with customers, universities, and tech startups to gain invaluable insights. Insights that will push the boundaries of glass technology to new heights. Why? Because when we make glass do more, we'll answer some of the world's greatest challenges and continue to touch lives for another 200 years to come.